The following is an overview of how to swap PLCU Classic for PLC Ultima. Swapping is the process of exchanging one cryptocurrency for another at a predetermined rate. PLCUC and PLCU are swapped using swap units that allow you to exchange PLCUC to PLCU in a 1-to-1 ratio. The swapping section contains all information about your swap. At the top of the screen, you will see three widgets. Available PLCU balance shows how many coins you have already received due to swapping. You can withdraw them at any time by clicking on the payout button. You can transfer them to your wallet, send them to the exchange, or purchase ecosystem products. Total swapped balance shows the total number of coins you will receive due to the work of the swapping packages. Daily swapping shows the estimated swap volume per day. Below on the page, you can see the swapping units you have already purchased. Now scroll down the page even further and you will see the swapping chart, the dates and sizes of swapping transactions. Let's go to the next page. Swapping units. Here you can select and purchase the unit that is right for you. You can do this by selecting the desired product and clicking the green swap button. Once the payment page opens, you will see the wallet address to which you need to send PLCU Classic coins. You can copy the wallet address and send coins to it or scan the QR code in the app. After purchasing a swap unit, your PLCUC coins will be deducted from your balance, and the swapping from PLCUC to PLCU will begin. According to PLCU tokenomics, PLCU coins will be fully available within 5 years in the following ratio. First year, 2% of the total amount. Second year, 5%. Third year, 10%. Fourth year, 20%. And year 5, 63%. Now let's look at the payout section. It stores information about all payout transactions with coins received as a result of swapping. Date, wallet address to which the coins were sent, amount, status, ID, and the transaction's hash. You can make the payout once the coins are credited to your available balance. Then you can transfer them to your wallet, send them to the exchange, or purchase ecosystem products. To do this, click on the Payout button on the available PLCU balance widget. A page will open where you'll need to enter the address of the wallet where the payout will be sent. That's the arrow on the screen below points to the wallet input field. And in the application section, you can download the essential applications of the Ultima PLC ecosystem. We hope that after watching our tutorial you have no questions regarding swapping PLCUC to PLCU. The coin swapping process is crucial to the future of our project. It will allow us to avoid an oversupply of coins and increase the coin's value on the market.